G'day, it's Robbie here again. Well, it's Saturday morning and there's a bit of noise around, and I thought I might try and make a bit of noise myself. So you've seen this old mulcher, I've been working on it. So now it's time to see if it will run. I've topped up the oil, it took a lot of oil, it was down a lot. Yeah, really low. So I'll put some gas in it. I'll come out the other side and you can have a look at what's going on around the other side. Okay, well we're going to start it up with the air cleaner off. I'll put in some fresh fuel. I whacked back the same old spark plug that was in it, so if it doesn't fire on that, well, I'll stick a new plug in. I haven't checked it for spark, but I think hopefully it'll be alright. Freed up the throttle, that all works good. Put the spring back on the governor. So I've got some big heavy washers on the base plate. I sharpened the cutters up best I could with the angle grinder. Well, actually with the Hilda. I got in better with the Hilda because of that straight shaft drive on it. I just couldn't get the cutter bars out. It was so rusted up. I got one bolt out. I just couldn't get the other ones out. So I thought, well, I won't risk breaking it. I'll just sharpen it up in there. So, yep. I mean, I really wanted to balance the bars, you know, take it out and then you could just stick it on a centre support and balance them as well, but we couldn't do that. So we'll just use it as is for now. As for de-rusting it, I ran the needle descaler over the bottom circular bit. It always a good cleaner. So yeah, let's put some gas in this baby and see if it goes. This is still all loose. I've got to, if it runs and goes okay and it's worth spending more time on, I'll weld up and reinforce that where it mounts on. It looks like it's just 4 bolts down there. So yeah, let's gas her up and see how she goes. Should be enough. Well, she runs, but she needs a good tune. I think that spark plug pretty had it. That'll do for this morning. Yeah, you know, mulch is sort of okay, but it doesn't feed all that great. Let's look at the mulch. That's a good job, really good job. It just doesn't feed all that brilliantly well compared to the other one. That was pretty thick stuff. Yeah. I think the oil side of things was okay. The smoke went away. Probably pushing it on its side and all that. The oil got up past the rings. I expected some smoke for a kick-off. So there you go, guys. A bit more work on the old girl. Goes with the tune-up side. Don't want to make a lot of noise today, weekend, but yeah, she's a runner. She's a goer. No problem whatsoever. Magic. Okay, that's it from me. Stay tuned for the next episode of The Red Terror. See you next time. Cheers.